Here are the top 7 lessons from the book Scrum by Jeff Sutherland. One of the roadblocks towards organizational success lies on how things are being done by the people involved. Lesson 1. Take off old practices. The first thing that we must do to experience significant changes and improvements in the organization is to get rid of the old practices. Lesson 2. Fill in key positions. The Scrum Master monitors the team's performance and helps remove any obstacle that slows down their progress. Lesson 3. Go for the sprints. The team should produce a product or a goal, present it to the team and to the client, and solicit feedback. Lesson 4. Do regular Scrum meetings. Spending time for these quick Scrum meetings will help the team synchronize their activities. Lesson 5. Create a sprint backlog. Being able to accurately monitor the team's progress will help enhance accountability among the members of the team. Lesson 6. Place a Scrum board. Sutherland suggests to keep a Scrum board where all the tasks and the progress are visible for everyone. Lesson 7. Streamline the process. To streamline all processes involved in attaining the team's goals. Share and follow for more.